Alright, I just want to make a quick little video. I've reached 1,000 subscribers, which has been a milestone of mine that I've been wanting to hit for a long time. And I just want to explain what that means for me, and what it means for you, the viewer, and a few other things that are happening in my life. So to start off with, 1,000 subscribers, I was trying to reach that within a year. It took me a bit longer, but either way, that's the point at which YouTube will let you monetize your videos and put ads on them. So I'm excited to do that for two reasons. Number one, I might actually start making some money back from all the time and effort I've put into the previous videos and inevitably the ones to come. Now, another thing is that it helps my algorithm with actually getting new people to the channel. Now, putting ads on your video means YouTube favors the videos with ads, because that's how YouTube makes money as well. So they're more likely to offer my videos to a stranger or someone who's not familiar with my channel. They're more likely to offer those videos up just because there's ads on them. So of course I'm going to put ads on my videos. Sorry if that annoys you, but you got to appreciate that I'm putting a lot of time and effort into these videos and getting nothing back from it. Now, ad walls is one way to do it, especially for such a new channel like mine. The other ways to make money would be for sponsorship or merchandise, which I don't think I'm quite ready for. But if I do end up making enough money from those two things down the road, I would definitely prefer not to have ads on my videos. Now, it is a dream of mine to make money full-time on YouTube, but it is a long-term goal. I don't think I'm ever going to get there in the next 5 years or so, especially with the most recent update in my life. I've actually stopped working for myself. I now have a boss and I now work for a different company, which means for me, I don't have as much freedom for filming, and I don't have my Wednesdays off anymore, which means I don't have enough time to edit the videos. Now, I'm not too sure what I'll be making my videos about in the future. My boss is a pretty nice guy anyway, so he's probably not going to care too much about me filming, but there won't be as much time for tutorials on the job site. At home, definitely, but the videos may change in the short term to accommodate for my new job. Now, I'm happy to take on this job because it means I can get a mortgage and potentially buy a house in a year's time. And obviously when I buy my house, I'm going to renovate the shit out of it and bring you along with me for that and teach you as much as I can, because I'll have the freedom to do that under my own roof. Now, with the dream of either offsetting my income or earning a living on YouTube, I'd also love to collaborate with other content creators. I'd love to have a factory space or a workshop where I can set things up and do all kinds of car stuff and furniture making and just general construction. I'd really love to have a space like that. It'd be a lot easier and I feel like I could be a lot more creative with a workshop space like that. So that is a dream, that is a goal heading forward. Hopefully I can get that to work, but time will tell. I'd also love to set up a CNC machine and either make products out of metal or timber, like toys or all kinds of things on a CNC machine. So that is another future goal. I'd love to employ people and collaborate with people, but as I said, that is a long-term goal and it's probably not going to happen in the next year, but that's just where I'm heading. Now, if I do start making money from these videos, I would like to put them back into the channel, either with better camera gear or better editing or better production value as well. I'd really be interested in doing all of that because I do quite enjoy making these videos and I do love a bit of variety in my life as well. So if I can make videos and do a bit of construction and car stuff and maintain that and pay the bills, that'd be my life goal right there. Now, if you've already seen ads on some of my videos, that would be because of the music that's in them that I don't have the rights to. It's copyrighted music, so if I do use other people's music, I give YouTube permission to put ads on my videos for their sake, just so I can use the music in my videos. So I just thought I'd explain that as well. And that pretty much wraps up this 1,000 subscriber update video. Now, if you have subscribed, thank you for doing that. It really helps build the channel. It's what keeps me going. To everyone that likes the videos and watches the videos and especially shares the videos, it goes a really long way to my channel getting bigger, and it actually really motivates me to keep making more videos. So I just want to say thank you for that. I really appreciate it, really appreciate the comments. I love getting back to them. The thumbs up really help the algorithm. Comments really help the algorithm, and obviously subscribing as well. So I'm keen to see what the future has in hold for me and for the channel and things in general. So look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks for watching and we'll see you then.